Unraveling, Sinful Act, a dive into meaning and usage. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a phrase that crosses both linguistic and cultural boundaries: sinful act. We'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it when speaking and writing in English. Whether you're learning English for business, travel, or personal enrichment, understanding phrases like this one is key to gaining a more nuanced command of the language. So let's get started. The phrase, sinful act, refers to an action that is considered morally wrong or offensive according to religious or moral law. The word, sinful, is an adjective describing something that involves or constitutes a sin. A sin, in many religious contexts, is an act against the will or laws of a deity. In a broader sense, it can also mean any action that is generally considered ethically or morally wrong by a group or society. The concept of sin has been around for millennia, deeply rooted in religious texts and teachings across various cultures. The English word, sin, comes from Old English sin, which is related to the German Sünde and the Latin sons or sant, meaning guilty. Over time, as English evolved, the word sinful began to be used to describe anything related to or full of sin. Using sinful act properly in a sentence can convey disapproval or judgment. For example, lying for personal gain is considered a sinful act in many cultures. The community denounced the theft as a sinful act. Remember, while sinful act is a term that carries weighty moral implications, it can be subject to personal or cultural interpretation. Although sinful act originates from religious contexts, it is also used in secular settings. In everyday language, people might describe something as a sinful act to express strong disapproval, even if the action isn't related to religion. For instance, eating the entire cake by myself was a sinful act of gluttony. Here, the speaker uses sinful act humorously to suggest that eating so much cake is extravagantly indulgent. Understanding the phrase, sinful act, can add depth to your English vocabulary, especially when discussing ethical or moral topics. It reflects not only the language but also the cultural and philosophical perspectives that shape it. Hopefully, this exploration helps you use sinful act accurately and confidently in your own conversations and writing. Thank you for watching, and keep up your passion for language learning.